Jeff, what do you got? You ready now?
I guess, man. So yeah, this is funny because I don't think I've ever done this before. Because I
Have
like
you
have a
not?
cone. I have a cone of cleanliness that only you can see, and showing this makes me a little nervous. But I'll do it.
Hey,
'cause I
don't
love
be
you guys.
nervous,
I
Jeff.
clean for mine.
So,
Let me say it this
Yes.
way: you're not seeing mine right now, okay?
well, I'll switch to the backup camera and I'll talk you through it because it's kind of interesting. And I'm actually in a portable building behind my house. I have like a 30-second commute, so it's in this building that I finished out years ago. Let me go to my. This is what I use for when I do my carving cam. So I just use a 27-inch MacBook Pro. I mean a MacBook iMac. Sorry. Above here, my main camera, is a Canon M50 mirrorless. On the front of it is, and I love it, it's the Parrot Teleprompter. My phone fits underneath there. I have software on my desktop and also on my iPad where I can scroll it automatically. So like when I'm doing in my show at the beginning, I'm usually reading a bio or talking about what the show is. It's all there and I can look right at my camera and I can read it, and it doesn't look like I'm reading. I use it for YouTube videos too and Amazon stuff as well. So I love that teleprompter. It's amazing. The only problem is when I have my phone in there, I can't use my phone, and so I have an iPad here on my desk, a little iPad mini that I use to take notes with my pencil. I also use this to control my hue lights in my office for that thing. For my audio, I have my Rodecaster Pro is what I use to go in right there. I use it for everything. That's one of the best purchases I've ever made. My mic is the Heil PR40 that I use. Let me see if I can get it up here. Yeah, my Heil PR40 is what I use, and Heil provided that to me for just they wanted me to use it for my show, and I went from my Yeti to a Heil, and I love the way it sounds.
Sounds great.
I have a little Stream Deck. That's what I first started with, and then I did upgrade to the XR because I fill up all those things with all this stuff in my show. I have a bunch of lower thirds. I'm always switching things because I'm trying to break up the pattern interrupt when I'm doing my show. Right. And since I record it too for repurposing, I go between my titles and to my my co-host, and I'm always bouncing things around to keep things moving on the screen. So I love that. This is right here is a little timer that I have, the Pomodoro thing. I have like a 5-minute break and a 30-minute work, and I can toggle back and forth between them. It's a nerdy thing that I have from Amazon. This is my newest thing that I love. It's the Loop Deck for editing.
Man, he has one.
Gosh.
He has one.
It is amazing. I love the analog stuff. It is speeding up my editing, but I just love the physical knobs for turning things in Lightroom, and these all change depending on what program you're in. But it's just so much. It's so cool. This computer over here is, I started doing vMix before I went to Ecamm. I'm actually using it to stream. I have these overlays that I go during my show, and it just takes the hit off my computer because it's kind of an older iMac. And
Gotcha.
This is an Alienware Gaming PC, which is handy for gaming as well, so I won't lie. But that's pretty much, and my background, let me go back to my thing here. My background, since I'm in this building, it's actually on big panels I bought from Home Depot, like barn siding. I put hinges on, put the signs up, and I actually can fold it up to let the air flow because it gets a little hot here in Texas for my air conditioner. But yeah, and I've had it for years, and people love the set, and it's just a physical set that I built. So
That's awesome.
that's me.
Man, I love it. Thank you for sharing that, Brent. Like, what stands out?
That's amazing.
Kevin said he likes the timer. He liked the timer. That's a cool idea.
Here's what's
I have the Elgato lights.
Here's what's-
So this desk is also, it's a standing desk, and I love the Elgato Keylights because they clamp to the desk, and everything, and my mic and everything, and my computer is actually bolted to the bottom of it, so everything goes up, and I can do at every level. It doesn't jack up my lights or cords or anything like that, and it all comes up at once. So I love the Elgato lights.
That's cool.